Alright, we're going to figure out the ventricular pressure volume cycle and corresponding cardiac muscle length tension cycle um, with these three curves here. We have the passive tension curve, the isotonic contraction curve, the max isometric contraction curve, and with these three we can figure out the cycle. What are they? The max isometric contraction, basically what it is you at each point you would fill the heart up with a specific amount of blood. Like for instance here you'd fill it with a starting value of 130 milliliters in the heart, and then when it contracts, this is the max output that the heart can generate when it has an initial volume of 130 milliliters. So since we're going to use that, I'll plot that point. I'm not going to explain the rest of these. I'm going to assume that we know basic muscle physiology. So we'll go ahead and plot this point here, 130. Right here. And here. And here. And then we'll do the same here. We'll come over to the isotonic contraction. And we'll make a point here. And basically what this is, you're going to join these two. Alright? And intuitively you can see that basically it's just the sum of the max isometric contraction and the isotonic contraction at 130 milliliters of blood, initial blood amount. So that's awesome. And then to plot the oxytonic line, basically from this line here, you would come off perpendicularly until it meets the isotonic contraction line. And then you would make that point, that join. And this here is the amount of blood that the heart ejects, this total here. And as you can see, 130 minus 6, that's 70 milliliters that the heart will eject. And then this point here, this is isometric relaxation. You just come straight down. Yeah, okay, isometric relaxation. And then you come all the way down here. Boom. And then you basically connect all the points. Of course, that's irrelevant now. So this. And this is our cycle. Bam. Basically right here, this is end diastolic volume. So here, this is where your heart contracts. Boom. It's trying to build up all that pressure. But once it reaches arterial pressure, here at 80, the aortic valve opens, and that's when you have oxytonic contraction because you're having a change in volume and pressure. Bam. And then from this point here, you'll have isometric relaxation. Boom. The heart is relaxing until here, and then the mitral valves open here, and the ventricle will passively fill to this point here. And then boom, again we have another contraction. The heart contracts. It's trying to reach this, the highest it can as far as pressure. But boom, aortic valve opens. Here, that's the max output after it's finished contraction. This is the isovolumetric relaxation. The heart is relaxing. Boom. And then obviously here again, the mitral valves open, and then you have passive filling again, and boom, and it contracts again. I hope that helps, but that's it.